Hey guys, so it's been a few weeks since I've uploaded a video. My daughter got injured, so I've been taking care of her and getting her all settled. Of course, that comes first, and then with school starting, but back today with a end of summer closet declutter. I have a lot of stuff to go through. I'm just to the point where I'm maxed out and I'm gonna be cutthroat this declutter, I think. I'm gonna just go through everything, pull it out, and then I'll show you at the end what I came up with. I do this like every couple of months, as you guys know, and I'm excited to just purge everything that I'm not wearing anymore, that doesn't fit me, just tired of hanging on to things. So I'm thinking a lot of stuff will be donated and then maybe a couple of things I will sell. Some of the stuff that's still in my closet from the last declutter, I've listed to sell, like some of the handbags, but they just haven't sold yet. So I'm gonna leave those alone for now. All right, let's do it. everything. It's a good bit of stuff, quite a lot. So I'm gonna have to go through everything and divvy up what's getting donated, what I might like offer to friends or whatever. Maybe like 1 or 2 things I might be able to list on Poshmark. I honestly don't even have the energy to do that. I'd rather just donate everything. So I'm gonna go grab a couple garbage bags and get it done. Okay, so that took about an hour and a half. I cruised through that because I knew I'd been looking at stuff and I'm like, all right, it's time to go. I did pretty good. I didn't have the strength that I thought I was gonna have for some things. So I go back and forth on stuff. I don't know if that happens to you. I'm like, oh, I wanna get rid of it. And then in 20 minutes, I'm like, wait, no, I don't. I did just post a reel of me cleaning my closet and like all the shelves and everything, like the floor, dusting out all my shoes and the shelves. So check that out. It's over on Instagram and on YouTube. So I have 3 bags of stuff that's going to Goodwill. So I'm happy about that. And then I made 2 bags, one for one of my friends that has like yoga pants, and then a bag for my mom of some stuff. And then everything here is like stuff that I think that I could list on Poshmark and maybe sell. I'm thinking about it still. I'm kind of to the point where I feel like I don't know if I have the energy to be listing and selling and storing everything, but I am thinking about getting like a storage rack bar. I'll put it on the screen, what I'm thinking of, and keeping it up in my attic, especially for items that need to be hung up so they don't get all wrinkled. Because in the past, I was storing stuff that I had listed online in the closet, and it's just taking up so much space. So I figured, let's just get it all out of there. I'm done. I want this stuff out. And I have it on my list tomorrow to stop at Goodwill. I will not drive around with bags in my car for a year like I normally do. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this somewhat motivating, maybe to just clean out some of your items, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.